Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a Bitget account. Whether you're a beginner in crypto trading or just looking for a new exchange, Bitget is a great platform to start with. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Bitget app. First, you need to download the Bitget app on your mobile device. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, search for Bitget, and tap Install. For iPhone users, open the App Store, search for Bitget, and tap Get to download the app. Once installed, open the app to begin the sign-up process. Step 2. Tap on Sign Up on the Bitget home screen. Bitget allows you to sign up using your email or phone number. To register with an email, enter your email address and create a strong password. To register with a phone number, select your country code, enter your mobile number, and set a password. Your password should be 8 to 32 characters long and include letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Once done, tap on Next. Step 3. Verify your email or phone number. Bitget will send a 6-digit verification code to your email or phone via SMS. Open your email inbox or SMS messages and copy the code. Enter the 6-digit code in the Bitget app and tap Confirm. This step ensures that your contact details are valid. Step 4. Agree to the terms and conditions. Before proceeding, you need to agree to Bitget's user agreement and privacy policy. Read through the terms and tap the checkbox to agree. Tap Sign Up to continue. Step 5. Secure your account. Highly recommended. Now that your account is created, it's important to add extra security to keep your funds safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to Security Settings and activate Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Complete identity verification, KYC. Optional but recommended. Go to Profile, Identity Verification. Upload a photo of your ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Follow the on-screen instructions for facial verification. Completing KYC verification allows you to increase withdrawal limits and access more features. Step 6. Start using Bitget. That's it! You've successfully created a Bitget account on your mobile phone. Now you can deposit funds, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, explore trading features. Conclusion. I hope this tutorial helped you set up your Bitget account quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.